A Norfolk jury just finished its first day of deliberations in the murder trial against Rashad Dooley. He's accused of killing Old Dominion University student Chris Cummings back in 2011. Both sides spoke their final words to the jury today before handing them the case. Allison Basil explains what they heard in court as we wait for a verdict.
Jurors deliberated for about 6 hours today until Judge Michelle Atkins dismissed them around 5:30. Deliberations will resume in the morning. During closing arguments, the prosecutor told the jury Chris Cummings sold marijuana in his off-campus home near ODU. She says Rashad Dooley went to Cummings' house on the morning of June 10, 2011 to rob Cummings, but she says that robbery ended in Cummings' death and the shooting of his roommate. The prosecutor told jurors, quote, threats, beatings, and even the court being evacuated did not stop the truth from coming out in the court. On Friday, court proceedings came to a halt while Norfolk police officers investigated a bomb threat at the courthouse. During Monday's testimony, an inmate told jurors he got beat up by people associated with Dooley for talking with investigators. The inmate told jurors Dooley talked to him in jail about the home invasion and death of Chris Cummings, saying, quote, we were young when we did that. They just think I was the driver anyway. Dooley's defense attorney argued this morning the inmate testimony is one of the only things that made this cold case warm again. He told jurors there is no evidence that places Dooley at the scene of the crime. The defense attorney says there is no doubt a tragedy occurred in Cummings' home, but asked jurors not to let that tragedy overshadow Dooley's innocence. The prosecutor asked jurors to find Dooley guilty and bring Cummings and his roommate justice. In Norfolk, Allison Basil, 13 News Now.
This trial has lasted for 5 days so far.